Hey guys, so here's an explanation of our codon worksheet. I know some of you are having some trouble with it. Some things that you need to remember before we start is that mRNA is always complementary to DNA and tRNA is always complementary to an mRNA strand. Now, if you remember, DNA has the bases of A, T, G, and C. And RNA always have the bases of A, U, G, and C. And if you remember your base pairing rules, okay, A always bonds with T, and down here A is going to bond with U, and then G is always going to bond with C in both cases. Now, if we just get rid of this, and we take a look at this example, let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so we have the mRNA codon is AAG. That means our complementary DNA codon is going to be what matches up with that. So what bonds with A in DNA? It's T. Let's do a different color. Okay, and again, A bonds with T, and then G is going to bond with C. Now, if we look at the tRNA anticodon, now we need to see what the complementary strand of RNA is. Now, remember, in RNA, there is no T's. There are no T's. So A is going to be U, and C. Now, to figure out our amino acids, we're always going to use the mRNA strand. Okay, so if we take a look at our wheel, we want to find AAG. Now, if you remember how we use this wheel, the inside goes first, then the second layer, and then the outside. So we have AAG. So let's find that. Here is our first A, okay, and then our second A, it's right here, and then G is going to be right here. So our first amino acid is lysine. Okay, let's do another one. Oop, and I spelled lysine wrong. Let's do another one. So now we have a DNA triplet of CCG. Okay, so, I'm sorry, GGC. So our RNA is going to be CCG. Our tRNA is complementary to the mRNA. It's going to be GGC, just like the DNA. But now we have to figure out the amino acid. So again, we need to use the mRNA codon of CCG. So if we look here, we have C is right here, and then C again. And if we read out, G is right here. So we are looking at proline. Okay, I hope this helps you understand it a little bit more. We'll go over in class tomorrow. Good luck.